Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulina. I'm a freelance makeup artist based in New York, and I also teach makeup and hair at a makeup school in New York City. So today I want to talk to you guys about my 5 top tips on how to become a successful makeup artist. To be honest, I wish somebody told me these things when I first started out. They are not your quick fix, magical tips and tricks on how to grow super fast. Growing a clientele will take patience, but I want to just share what I personally think might help you. It will take time and effort. If you put no effort into being, a freelance makeup artist, then you're not going to get anything out of it. Don't expect to people just randomly come knocking on your door or send you 5 million emails, saying, hey, you're the best makeup artist, I want to book you. These are in no order whatsoever, so let's just start with the first one. If you guys like these types of videos, then please give it a big thumbs up. I will definitely make more, so subscribe to stay tuned. So my first piece of advice is don't compare yourself to anyone. I feel like looking on social media specifically, we see these, perfect Instagram looks and perfect looks that are edited and models and so on and so forth. In reality, depending on what industry you are in, you may not be working on models, and that's okay. Real life people like to see real people, not people with beautiful skin. So do what is best for you in your industry choice. So whether it's fashion, bridal, photo shoots, editorial, whatever it may be. Me personally, I work more on private clients, so they are real people. I do work on models here and there, but not as often. So why I say don't compare yourself, if you keep comparing yourself, you will never start working as a makeup artist. You will keep saying, why does my winged eyeliner not look like hers? Why does my skin not look so beautiful as his work on Instagram? Or why does this look so perfect and mine doesn't? If you compare yourself, you're never going to start, and it's the worst thing you could possibly do. I say have confidence in yourself, in your talent, and just start. We all have to start somewhere. When I look back at myself, like 6-7 years ago, was my winged eyeliner perfect? Probably not. But I wanted it so bad. I loved makeup, I had a passion for it, and I just went for it. So you can too. My second piece of advice is keep learning. You never know everything in life. You are always going to learn new techniques from other people, whether it's going to be a master class that you attend or a private one-on-one from somebody's work that you love. Keep on top of trends too. Things are always changing. I feel like you may be, into natural makeup, but you need to be able to do glamorous makeup as well. Bold makeup, colorful makeup, anything. Even a look like this that is totally Instagram inspired. Will a lot of people ask for it? Probably not. But you may get that random person that's going to be like, hey, I want a halo cut crease, or hey, I want a cut crease. So you need to be able to do anything. So keep on learning, never stop. My third tip is invest in your website. I feel like a lot of people just put their website together, and I personally am guilty of this in the beginning as well. When I first built a website, it looked like a 5-year-old put it together. It was just like random pictures, nothing was, high resolution and things like that. So put your best work out there. You don't need 50 pictures to start a website. You just need literally 3 pictures of your best work in HD, high resolution form, so you can post it on your website and start there. I would also recommend hiring someone for your website. I feel like they have a better idea of how it should look, how to kind of get your client's attention, how to book more people, and you can also customize it to your liking. So what do you want on there? I also would say do SEO. Hire somebody for SEO, and SEO means search engine optimization, how do you want to be found? Like, how do you want to be found on Google where people can reach your website and book you? You need SEO in order for Google to trust you, so investing in that is super important. I promise you. Fourth tip is practice. Practice literally makes perfect. If you are struggling with something, go practice it. Practice it 5 million times. Practice it 50 times if that's the only amount that you need. If you need to do it 100 million times, do it that many times. If you want to practice on friends, family members, on yourself, anything, just keep practicing, and that goes back to keep learning. Nothing is going to magically, become perfect if you don't practice it. So practice is super important, specifically in this industry, if you want to make it. My last tip is be active on social media. You may ask why. You may hate your phone, you may hate your iPad, your computer, you may hate technology, but that is our future. I get a lot of clients through Instagram even. So just to have an Instagram does not mean that you're being active on social media. You have to post things consistently. Be a part of the community. Comment on people's pictures. Use hashtags, things like that. Be present. Don't just post one picture once a week and then expect the world to know that you are doing makeup, okay? So be consistent with it. Be on social media. If you want to make a Facebook page as well, that's totally fine. I think Facebook is really cool as well because you already have people that personally know you, and if you just started makeup, that's the right way to say it. If you just started makeup and nobody knows, your personal friends, nobody knows you're a makeup artist yet, so let them know. What are you waiting for? So those would be my 5 top tips in becoming a successful makeup artist. So do those things, invest your time, invest a bit of money for the certain things that you need to take care of, and just put your all into it. Put your effort into it, and the more you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it. I promise. So I hope these tips help you guys out. I know they're not quick fixes or anything like that, so if that's what you expected out of this video, it is definitely not that. But I hope maybe I could help somebody out there, and I wish you guys the best of luck in becoming successful makeup artists. By the way, if you want to learn how to recreate this eye look right here, inspired by Nikki Tutorials, I do have a video up for it, so I will put down a link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.